Good morning, all of you. So, the topic for today is financial markets. As we were discussing the topic of financial institution in the last class, today we will be discussing a topic called financial market. Let us understand what the financial market is. So, here when you talk about a financial market is a market where in which people and entities can trade financial securities at low transaction costs. Securities which are traders include stocks, bonds, debentures, commodities, etc. So here when you talk about a it is a marketplace where the financial products refers to securities refers to stocks refers to shares, bonds investment done in many companies, uh, debenture refers to a, a debt provided to the company, and the commodities refers to gold, silver, ornaments, or cardamom, pepper, etc., which can be traded in a financial market. So that is what the financial market is. Here the trading happens, the buying and selling takes place of financial securities or stocks. This financial market can be broadly classified into two major categories, that is the capital market and the money market. As I was discussing in the class, capital market, the word itself tells capital. What do you mean by capital? Capital refers to the money invested on business. How money can be invested on business? If you are having a partner, that partner can come and invest that money in your business. If you don't have a partner, if your company is registered in a stock exchange, how do you make an investment? With the help of shares, debentures, and bonds. Here, when you talk about the capital market is a marketplace where the investors are invited to invest in the company with the help of shares, debentures, and bonds. That's called as a capital market because the money is invested on the company's capital. So this capital can be further classified as primary market and the secondary market. Primary market and the secondary market. What is primary market? It is a marketplace where securities are issued to the public for the first time. So when the companies invites shares, debentures for the first time, it is through the primary market. It is also called as a new issue market. In this market, the funds are raised by the industries from investors through the help of securities. Securities refers to shares, debentures, and bonds. So investors can invest in companies for the first time in the primary market. Sometimes what happens is the everybody will not get a chance to invest in the primary market. If you have lost the chance to invest in the primary market, the subscription is already been closed, you don't have an opportunity to invest in the primary market. What you can do? You can go to a secondary market. Secondary market is also called as securities market. So it is a marketplace in which existing securities, what is existing securities? The securities which were sold in the primary market, those are the existing securities are bought and sold in the secondary market. The securities are bought with the help of a broker. A person alone cannot buy a securities. Securities refers to shares, bonds, debentures. So they can be purchased with the help of broker. The secondary market is also called as a stock exchange. There are number of stock exchanges like NSE, BSE, etc. Just take an example. Like there is a vehicle sold in a showroom that can be purchased in a primary market. You want to purchase the same vehicle, as again the vehicle is not being sold in the market, that vehicle is again being sold in the second hand or the secondary market, that is called as a secondary market. Hope you got to understood this point. Next comes the money market. So when you talk about money market, so here capital market is a long-term securities market, but when you talk about the money market is a short-term money market, or it is a place where short-term money is being bought and sold, or instruments are the short-term instruments include the call money market. The call money market refers to the call refers to in an urgency whenever the money is being required. Like, take an example, a bank requires money every week. Sometimes happens is when the money is not been there in the bank, it has to show that RBI, it has to show to the RBI that certain amount of deposit should be there in the bank. So if it is not having certain amount, ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಅಷ್ಟು ದುಡ್ಡು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಟೈಮ್ ಅವರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಡು ದೇ ಡೂ ಇಸ್ ದೇ ಗೋ ಟು ಅದರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಲೋನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ 5 days 6 days. So that is what the transaction or the money bought from 0 to 14 days is considered to be a call money market. Here anybody can take money like banks, government, institutions, etc. When you talk about treasury bill market, treasury you might be knowing, treasury refers to khajane, that is been with the government. When government is not having sufficient funds in its account, what it does, it calls some of the banks and takes money from those banks and promises them to pay that amount in future course of time. So treasury bill is considered to be a promissory note issued by the government. The government promises the person to pay that amount in future course of time with certain amount of interest or profit. Similarly, there is something called commercial paper. Commercial paper is a promissory note where a company or a private organization promises to pay the amount in future course of time, and it with the help of interest to be paid. Similarly, the certificate of deposit is also a type of promissory note which is being issued by the bank, where the bank promises to pay the amount in future course of time to the bearer. So here all things are same, but only the person changes. When you talk about commercial bill market and the commercial paper are quite similar. So when you talk about commercial bill market, here commercial bill market refers to like you have certain amounts of bill pending, like there is amount being pending to a particular company. So that bill is being taken to the bank and it is being surrendered to the bank. On those pending bills, the bank will provide loans. So it is very uncommon here in India. Next comes the government securities market. As the companies, private companies invite for shares, debenture and bonds, even government securities or government stocks are being sold in the market. I was giving an example in the last class here, like the government also invites for an investment. Like just take an example like railways. Railways is a government company. Here the shares are being sold by the government company to the private companies, where the private companies are being given an opportunity to invest. Like example, you can take LIC, Life Insurance Corporation of India. Recently it was being invited for the private investment. Now many companies, companies have invested in this LIC. That is what government securities market is. It's all put together. It is a 10 marks question. That is what financial market is. Fine then. Thanks a lot.